What else? What else? What else? We talked about Stream Deck. No, sorry, we're talking about the gaming, the Discord, the Reddit, community name, new agendas. Now for the Stream Deck. I don't think if I went to the Stream Deck properly, I now look. I have this idea ever since before I even started Twitch. I had this idea. I recently saw Castnat stream and he was saying this idea in his stream and I was like, damn, that guy might whatever. But I'm like, nah, I gotta do this before he does it. If he does it and I do it, they're gonna be like, bro, you copying? I'm like, nah, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah. Like how I was telling you about like how that guy had a T-shirt with my logo on it. In the technically I created it. You know what I'm saying? He probably saw my shit and he put it and he gave it to him and he's wearing it. I'm like, dude, like I already had the idea. I already put it out in every social media and I thought to you. I mean, hey, W I guess, but like, bro, like, come on, bro. If you was out there, if you ever created that, if you was out there, please, please let me know. DM me. The rule JVO underscore on Twitch, the rule underscore JVO on all platforms. So DM me so I know it was you, cause hey, that's crazy, bro. And then when he was wearing that, I'm like, wait a second, like he was. I feel like that dude was low-key talking to me in a way, cause why was he wearing a T-shirt that had my logo on it? But and it was a bad representation of my logo, but still, it was like damn. But yeah, I have to put this in motion before he does. But like, what I want to do with the stream deck now, I don't think I even properly explain what I have and what I don't have. You know what I mean? But hey, we gonna run through this stream deck right here, right now, what I got and what you guys could help me with. So, for example, this is what I got for when I tell you guys to lock in. This is what I have. Okay, when you hear this, that means lock the hell in. You know what I mean? Like we locked in, lock the hell in. You know what I mean? If you hear this, that means lock the hell in. And if you don't lock in, then I'm gonna have to beat the 48. So if you hear this, it's like, listen. If you don't lock in, like, come on, dude. Like, come on. Like, what are you doing? Lock in. I'm gonna have to like dial and call them. Like, come on now. You know what I mean? And then we have, of course, this is the outro. You know what I mean? Now this actually, this beat actually for one of my songs. You know what I'm saying? So W song. If you haven't heard it, go ahead and listen to it. It's called Trust Issues. All on streaming platforms. You know what I mean? Just look up JVO Trust Issues. It's a picture of two hands reaching a heart. For anyone that's confused, before you look up JVO and you see other JVOs who have the same song, is a picture with a hand, two hands reaching the heart. That's mine, okay? I have JVO clones out here, bro. I'm telling you, feeling like a marshmallow in this shit. I low-key feel like a marshmallow in this shit the way I have JVO clones. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the outro for that. This is the other outro that I've been playing. This is the other outro that I've been playing every single start of my stream. WLG for Ness, my homie who made this song. You know what I mean? I play this every single time because it hits different. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, hey. You always come and go. Hey, on the inside I be going, I be focusing. But the handle that I cannot catch. I'm telling you, dude, I've been playing this every single time I spoke stream. You know what I mean? Then we have, of course, the Moon outro, man. Which again, Tyler, I know you said that this is you, your nieces, but when I heard it, I'm like, bro, what is this? What is this song? Like low key, like it spoke to me a little bit. Like, I want to use this, but implement it in a way that makes sense. Instead of just abusing it and using it, I want to use it for a certain purpose. And then we got timer. You know what I'm saying? You know, and then we got drum roll. Now there is no like, because apparently I didn't get the actual drum roll. I just got the drum roll that goes for like onto the very end. And like I was like when I play it, it's like a 32-second drum roll. So you hit it at the end, which is like, you know what I mean? But hey, it's whatever though. Then we have the funny laughter. You've already like seen and heard me play this already, but if you know where that point after is from, then you're an OG. Then you have the that really like played already. You know what I mean? Then you have the ouch. That I'm gonna use that if I see someone, let's say someone was trying to riz a girl or something, and the riz fell out, like damn, ouch. You know what I mean? You got the explosions. You got the suspense. I did have a different one that I was going to use because I know everybody's been using this one, but this one just like I don't know, it just hit different. It was a bigger impact than what I had. If I wanna copy other people, man, I don't care, dude. Okay, argue with your girlfriend, argue with your mom. Okay, I don't care. I just had a bigger impact than what I originally had. So what? Okay, you have the smooth. You know what I mean? Do you have the serious? You know, like yeah. I mean, I know this is casting out whatever, but that just hit different. That just hit different. Okay, you have the cooked, flat out. Hey, come on, bro. Look, I know again this casting nine is but hey, it's a WrestleMania thing. It's a WrestleMania soundtrack, and I do that less wrestling, I grow up watching wrestling. Hey, come on, bro. I let me be, man. Okay, let me be. Okay, everyone on TikTok come to the Twitch, the Rule JVO underscore. I'm going to the stream deck, so come to the Twitch, the Rule JVO underscore, man. W user that joined, a lot of joiners, not that many chatters. You know what I mean? Then we have the DM. You know, it's so amazing, valid point. It's like, yeah, I see that, I see that. And you have the applaud. You know what I'm trying to say? And then for the sounding, we have. I won't lie, this is a YouTube sounds. Okay, this is a YouTube background sounds that I've used in a majority of my YouTube videos. If you know, you know. But yeah, we got Cinema Sins. Then we have Fair God. You know what I'm saying? Again, this is YouTube sounds that I've used in my YouTube videos. So I might use this as like a freestyle type thing. I don't know. Hey, what? Hey, yeah. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you have the fighting, you know. Ooh. Oh my god, no, my microphone falling down. Oh my god. Crazy. Again, these are all YouTube sounds. This is all YouTube nostalgia. So you have the free background music. This that shit that people be like playing that every YouTuber have ever played when they end their YouTube video. I'm just saying. I might play this like say if I'm gonna like do something I have to like leave like the desktop. I might play that just like you know what I mean as a be right back type of thing. You know what I mean? I've already played this one already. You guys know. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, yeah. Then we have the frolic laughter. If you know what that's from, then you're OG. We have the something like this is where I played. I think I played it like at the last stream or the stream before. This is where I see fine shit. When that fine shit come on come on the stream or I'm talking to fine shit or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, you know, like. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's like an edit type thing. Like, you know what I mean? Just like if I'm wearing a good fit, I'd be like, "Yo, child, how you feeling? How you feeling, man? Hey, we good? We chilling? I kid. They have the sneaky adventure. You got the SpongeBob. And this when people are being goofy or whatnot. Like, I mean, he'd be like you though. Like, like that's what you just did was crazy, dude. Like, you got that. That's all you. It's all you. It's all you. And then of course you got the chill guy. You know what I mean? All chill guys out here, chillest guys that you ever seen. I don't bite. Okay, I just want to spread positivity to everybody out there. I'm just saying. Okay, I'm just saying. And then we have Travis Scott. You know, I won't lie. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't have any hype music. You know what I mean? Like I've yet to like find hype music. I might do a stream where we go ahead and find hype music for the stream deck. You know what I mean? But I don't have any hype music. So this has to do for the hype music. I know I'm like soundboard stealing, but I'm just saying this is like for me. And then of course you got my song and shit. You know, I think this song that I made is the only hype music I have on my list. I'm just saying. Yo, turn me up. Hey. 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 And I have a lot of people who can vouch for me who mess with this song. So I said, hey, I might as well put it as a soundboarding. I might as well, bro. I mean, who do you know that's an artist that's vibing to their own song? You don't. You don't. Okay? You don't. I Now, I feel like this might give a lot of power to certain people. Might give a lot of power to certain people. Let me clock that real quick. This might give power to certain people. Okay? So, what I want to do for the soundboarding, when I get affiliate, I want you guys to be able to help me with my soundboarding. Now, let me show you right now. What I have right here. This is gonna be this session of this the soundboard is gonna be for followers. Okay, this section of the soundboard right here is gonna be for followers. So if you have a sound that you want me to use that will benefit my streams, go ahead and tell me, and I will put your name in these sections, this box right here. So say for example, if like Gail gave me a sound, I'm gonna put your name right here, and if I mess with the sound, I'm talking about like I'm using this sound every single time, like it just hit different and it's funny. I might take this sound and put it in my main sounds. You know what I mean? I might take this sound and put it in the main sound. You know, so if you have any sound like you watch a movie, you watch a film, or you watch a TV series, or you watch whatever, or you watch a YouTube video, or you watch anything, and this sound was hilarious, you want me to use it as a sound, or use it to implement in a way, or whatever, let me know the sound. I go and look it up. I'm gonna rate it. If I deem it plausible, I'm gonna use the sound and I'm gonna add you on here. I feel like no one on Twitch is doing it like me, cause I'm telling you, a lot of people just be having like their sound already set up for them, for other people, but I feel like to interact with you guys more, I want to show my appreciation to each every one of you guys. So I want you guys to help me with my sounding. Again, this is giving a lot of power to a lot of people. I'm just saying, man. It's giving power to a lot of people, bro. Okay? So for followers, if you followed up, and if I feel like we might do a segment where we go through some soundings, some soundboardings. If you know a cool sound that you've heard or whatever you want me to use, go ahead and let me know. I'm gonna put your name in here, and I'm gonna shout you out in all the streams I do. So if you give me a good sound, I'm like, hey, again, if I say Gail give me a good sound, I'm like, W Gail for this sound, dude. The sound goes hard. I might take it and replace it with my other main sounds and use it throughout the streams. Yeah, someone just knocking on the door. So I have to let them in real quick. This would be for the followers. Again, a lot of power for a lot of people, bro. A lot of power for a lot of people. I feel like you guys might go crazy. You know what I mean? I might do a thing. I might do a segment. You know what I mean? So if you have sounds that you've heard or sounds that you think is funny or is benefit for me or whatever, go ahead. Let me know. I'm gonna put your name in here. Now these will change. These will change. See how there's only 13. This may change. So if somebody has a better sound than you, I might have to like, you know what I mean. But I'll probably keep you like, me. I might make a segment like a space where I might keep the sound and maybe I might use it. Now, for when it comes, now I know I shouldn't really talk about this, but when we get affiliate and it comes to, you know what I mean, the subs, it's a different thing. The same thing for the followers. Now, if I get affiliate, I'm just saying, for the followers that help me with the sounding, when it comes to the subbing, them subs, I can't lie, your sound will get used instantly. I can't lie, you know what I mean? Let's call them like VIPs. People are VIPs, you know what I mean? But for now, we gonna be staying with the followers, you know what I mean? But when it comes to that, them VIPs, just know that your sound will get used instantly. The followers may change if the sound gets like if someone has the best sound of you that you may change if it isn't enough space. I can't create another like you know what I mean that has to change, but I might put the person's sound in another space just to have them there, whatever. But for the VIPs, that may your sound will be used instantly. Unless like again, if say the same thing happens for the followers where there's not enough space, it may change too. You just gotta like make sure you get your spot. Make sure you have your spot, dude. You know what I mean? Make sure you yeah. Let me make sure that's it. What I want to do for this stream deck for this soundboarding. I need you guys to help me with the soundboarding. Again, there's a lot of power that I'm giving people, man. A lot of people, bro. You know what I mean? I'm not sure when I'm going to do that segment. I don't know, but when I do that segment, I need you guys to help me. You find me a sound, XYZ, OneNote, whatever, and then we get it cracking. We gotta move it, we gotta push it. But yeah, man.